Nothing quite smells as nice as fresh, sautéed garlic. Its aroma is distinctive, and it has evolved into a global standard in practically every kitchen. Its therapeutic benefits, in addition to its flavor, have contributed to its rising popularity in the culinary world. Garlic is a natural antibacterial, fights chronic diseases, decreases inflammation, and it has the power to manage cholesterol. One of the key components in garlic that improves general heart health is allicin. Garlic has also been used to treat fungal infections, lung conditions, and digestive disorders. Even if that were all it could do, it would still be a terrific addition to any dish or DIY remedy. But garlic is capable of more than that. It can be used to control blood sugar, combat carcinogens, and treat chronic joint pain. It's recommended to eat raw garlic to benefit from its potent effects to the fullest extent possible. That way none of the active ingredients are lost in the process of cooking. If you simply can't eat it raw, combine it with honey, another potent natural component. Here is what happens when you consume a mixture of garlic and honey for a week on an empty stomach. 1. Strengthen your immune system. Fungus and microbes that weaken our body's defenses can be eliminated by this pair of organic substances. It helps us maintain our health by boosting our immune systems. 2. Lowers blood pressure. A week of taking honey and garlic on an empty stomach will help naturally lower and manage blood pressure. Blood pressure reduction significantly enhances cardiovascular health. 3. Regulates bad cholesterol. Allicin, a substance that is released when raw garlic is crushed, cleanses the bloodstream of extra cholesterol. Additionally, it can aid in stabilizing blood fat levels. 4. Improves blood circulation. Sulfur in garlic and honey has anti-inflammatory qualities. They help to improve circulation by reducing blood clots. They also help to strengthen our veins and lessen the likelihood of problems like thrombosis and varicose veins that are related to them. 5. Helps you quickly get over the common cold. The combination of garlic and honey, when consumed over an extended period of time, can help combat the symptoms of the flu and seasonal colds because it boosts the immune system. 6. Minimizes inflammation. Numerous chronic health conditions have been linked to inflammatory processes within the body. Garlic and honey each combat inflammation. Together, they exert even more power to decrease inflammation and treat the signs and symptoms of joint issues, water retention, and sore muscles. 7. Combats cough. Honey works well to coat your throat, soothing the inflamed area and enabling you to cough out more phlegm effectively. Crushed garlic helps in the defense against viral and bacterial illnesses. Consider the following ingredients: 10 cloves of garlic, 1 glass jar with a lid, 1 cup of honey, 335 grams. Instructions: crush each of the 10 garlic cloves with a garlic press. Fill the glass jar with honey and garlic. For 7 days, place the sealed jar in the pantry or another dry, dark location. For a week, each morning before breakfast, dilute the syrup with warm water, or simply consume a tablespoon by itself. Wait 2 weeks, then repeat the procedure. Use only the best, organic ingredients, and keep the mixture at room temperature to prevent the honey from crystallizing. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.